So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Maksaya boosters sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito, dial lang natin is asterisk 123 number sign or hashtag, and then call. So yan guys, after nyan dito, ang piliin natin is yung number 4, which is yung boost. So type natin yung number 4 and then send. And then dito naman guys, piliin natin yung number 1 na nakalagay is Maksaya. So type number 1 and then send. So ayan guys, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Maksaya Boosters, makakakuha tayo ng high-speed data for all sites sa loob ng isang araw na mayroong 2 gigabytes na data for only 30 pesos guys. So napakasulit nito kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng napakabilis na data internet sa isang araw na 2 gigabytes. So 30 pesos lang siya, and kung gusto nyong ma-register, type nyo lang yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Maksaya Booster sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.